Hello everyone, welcome to the last class of transformation of sentences. In this class, I'll teach you how to transform an exclamatory sentence to an assertive sentence and vice versa. So without further delay, let's begin this class with the revision of these two types of sentences. So what are assertive sentences? Assertive sentences are simple statements which states a fact. They state, assert or declare something and always ends with a full stop. For example, I am a hardworking student. In the other hand, an exclamatory sentence expresses sudden and strong feelings such as surprise, wonder, pity, sympathy, happiness, gratitude, etc. It ends with an exclamation mark, but sometimes it ends with a full stop also, like in this example, hurrah, we have succeeded at last. Let's move on to the steps of transforming an assertive sentence to an exclamatory sentence at first. So here are few simple steps. এবার আমরা একটা করে স্টেপস পড়বো আর এই যে দুটো এক্সাম্পলস এর সাথে মিলিয়ে বুঝিয়ে নেব. So our first step is put an interjection word at first. So as you can see, the first example is the dress is very beautiful. In this sentence, the dress is the subject, is the auxiliary verb, very is the adverb, and the beautiful is the adjective. And the second example is this is indeed a great pleasure. So while transforming these two sentences into an exclamatory sentence, we have to begin with an interjection words. Now let me tell you what are interjection words. Interjection words are hi, hello, hurrah, alas, yippee, oh, ouch, etc. But in these two sentences, I have used how and what, which we generally use to ask a question. But as we are not asking any question in these two sentences, that's why we can use these two sentences as an interjection word also. Okay? So we have done the first step. The second step is we have to place the complementary word, that how beautiful or what a pleasure. The third step is place the subject of the sentence after that. As I told you, the dress is the subject in the first example, that's why I have written the dress after that, and in the second example it is the subject, so I have written it after that. The fourth step would be remove very, great, really, indeed, etc. Basically we have to remove any adverb. Okay, as you can see in these two exclamatory sentences, we haven't used any of these words. The fifth and last step is put the verb and complete the sentence with an exclamation mark. As you can see, I have finished these two sentences with is and interjection word, and that's how the dress is very beautiful becomes how beautiful the dress is. The second example, this is indeed a great pleasure, it becomes what a pleasure it is. We haven't changed the meaning of these sentences, we have only changed the structure of the sentences. Okay, now as you can see, here is a little one more example. তো আমরা এবার এটাকে এলাবোরেট করব যে এটা আমরা কিভাবে ট্রান্সফর্ম করেছি. So the assertive sentence is saying it is sad that he is no more. It is sad that he is no more. এবার এটাকে যখন আমরা এক্সক্লেমেটরি সেন্টেন্সে কনভার্ট করেছি, আমরা সবার প্রথমে কি লিখেছি অ্যালাস. এবার যেহেতু অ্যালাস নিজেই একটা কমপ্লিমেন্টারি ওয়ার্ড, যেহেতু এটা কমপ্লিটলি একটা মানে বোঝাচ্ছে যে দুঃখ প্রকাশ করছে, স্যাডনেস এক্সপ্রেস করছে, দ্যাটস ওয়াই আমরা এটার পরে আর কোনো কমপ্লিমেন্টারি ওয়ার্ড ব্যবহার করব না, আর সেজন্য আমরা অ্যালাসের পরে কি করেছি ইন্টারজেকশন পাংচুয়েশন বসিয়েছি. ঠিক আছে, আফটার দ্যাট উই হ্যাভ ইউজড দ্য সাবজেক্ট হুইচ ইজ হি ইন দিস সেন্টেন্স. ওকে, and then we have used is and no more which completes this sentence. So আমরা এটাকে এই রকম ভাবে, যেটা এই যে ব্ল্যাক ইঙ্ক দিয়ে লেখা রয়েছে, যেটা আমরা কোন একটা ইন্টারজেকশন ওয়ার্ড দিয়ে তারপর কমপ্লিমেন্টারি ওয়ার্ড, তারপর সাবজেক্ট, তারপর হেল্পিং ভার্ব বা ভার্ব দিয়ে তারপর ইন্টারজেকশন দিয়ে শেষ করে নিয়ে সেভাবেও আমরা লিখতে পারি. আবার কোনো একটা ইন্টারজেকশন ওয়ার্ড দিয়ে শুরু করে তারপর এক্সক্লেমেশন মার্ক দিয়ে রেস্ট অফ দ্য সেন্টেন্সটাকে আমরা অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সের ফরমেশনে লিখে নিয়েও আমরা সেটাকে এক্সক্লেমেটরি সেন্টেন্সে কনভার্ট করতে পারি. ওকে, লেটস মুভ অন টু দ্য another case which is saying replace I wish or I desire with oh, that or had I if the verbs are in subjunctive mood. ওকে, যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সে আই উইশ বা আই ডিজায়ার এসব কিছু থাকে, যে কোনো একটা থাকে দুটোর মধ্যে, তাহলে আমরা সেটাকে কি দিয়ে রিপ্লেস করব, ও ও দ্যাট বা হ্যাড আই কে। Look at this example. I wish I were young again. I wish I were young again, which is a positive assertive sentence. But while transforming it into an exclamatory sentence, I have transformed it to oh that I were young again. Oh that I were young again. The second example is I wish I had the riches of Solomon, which becomes had I riches of Solomon. Had I the riches of Solomon. Okay, so that's all about your transforming an assertive sentence to an exclamatory sentence. Now I'll teach you how to transform an exclamatory sentence to an assertive sentence. So there are a few simple steps as well. So first step is we have to write the subject as first. As you all know, an assertive sentence begins with a subject. After that we have to write a verb. It may be any auxiliary verb or any principal verb. The third step, after that we have to write any adverb if any. Okay, যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সে থাকে তাহলে আমাদের সেটা লিখতে হবে। The fourth step is we have to write the adjective, that means other complementary words, and we have to complete it with a full stop to make it meaningful and to make it a complete sentence. So as you can see, how painful injections are. How painful injections are. This becomes injections are very painful. In this sentence, injections is subject, are is helping verb, very is adverb, and painful is adjective, and we have completed this sentence with a full stop. As we all know, an assertive sentence always ends with a full stop. Had I the wings of a bird. Had I the wings of a bird. It becomes I wish I had the wings of a bird. I wish I had wings of a bird. And that's all about your transforming an exclamatory sentence to an assertive sentence. Thank you for staying till the end. We'll see you in my next class.